Your morning has a story, and today we will speak it in simple English, slowly, together. Listen first, then speak with me. Listen. I wake up early. Now try.
I wake up early.
Good. Slow is perfect. One small thing before we continue. This is a safe space. No pressure. No rush. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need fast English. You only need honest sentences. Mia is here with us today. She is learning English, just like you. She understands English, but speaking feels hard sometimes. She is not perfect. She is not fast, and that is okay. You can practice with her. You are not alone here. One small rule before we go on. Whenever I say, "Now try," Mia will speak first. After that, you can speak with her. You don't need to be loud. You don't need to be perfect. Just try. Listen. I wake up early. Now try.
I wake up early.
Nice. Listen. I get out of bed. Now try.
I get out of bed.
Good. Listen. I brush my teeth. Now try.
I brush my teeth.
Let's add a little more. Listen. I wash my face. Now try.
I wash my face.
Good. Listen. I look in the mirror. Now try.
I look in the mirror.
Nice. Listen. I open the window.
I open the window.
Ah, good. Listen. I let the fresh air in. Now try.
I let the fresh air in.
Very nice. I drink water. Or I drink tea. Now try.
I drink tea.
Nice. Listen. I drink slowly. Now try.
I drink slowly.
Good. I sit quietly. Now try.
I sit quietly.
Nice and calm. Listen. I take a deep breath. Now try.
I take a deep breath.
Very good. Listen. I feel relaxed. Now try.
I feel relaxed.
That sounds peaceful. Listen. I look outside. Now try.
I look outside.
Nice. Listen. I see the sky. Now try.
I see the sky.
Good. Listen. I think about my day. Now try.
I think about my day.
That's natural. Listen. I feel ready. Now try.
I feel ready.
I start my day. Now try.
I start my day.
Nice. Now listen to my morning. I wake up early. I turn off my alarm. I wash my face. I open the window. I let the fresh air in. I check my phone. I think about my day. I get ready for work or study. Now let's say it together. I wake up.
I wake up early.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I open the window.
I open the window.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I think about my day.
I think about my day.
I get ready for work or study.
I get ready for work or study.
Now listen carefully. This is how we tell our morning to someone else. I wake up early and turn off my alarm. Then I get out of bed. I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I open the window and let the fresh air in. I check my phone for a moment and think about my day. Then I have breakfast. I eat something in the morning. It is not very heavy. Sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I drink coffee. I sit for a few minutes and enjoy my breakfast. After that, I get ready for work or study. That's my morning. Simple English. Real English. Now try. Tell me about your morning. Slowly. You don't need to say everything. You can start with one sentence. You can start like this. I wake up.
Okay, let me try.
That's okay. Take your time.
I wake up early. I wash my face. Then I have breakfast.
Good. That is real English. If you want to stop here, that is okay. You already did something important. You tried. You spoke. That is progress. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to say everything. One sentence is enough for today. If you want, you can try again later, slowly, in your own time. English is not a race. It is a practice. And today, you practiced.
It feels easier now.
Yes, it gets easier with practice. Your task today: talk about your morning 2 times today. Slowly. Comment below, Day 11 done. Tomorrow, we will talk about your evening routine. Take your time.
You're doing well. See you tomorrow.